Hey everybody, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. We're your Upstate's exclusive Mastercraft dealer. Today I'm standing in front of our 2021 Mastercraft X24, and probably one of my favorite colors that we've gotten in so far. I mean, I really love all of them, but I think this one's going to stand out the most on the lake yet. This boat has the full whole side navy blue color. The whole bottom is navy blue, and we also did the interior deck in navy blue as well. But to accent it perfectly, we think, we added the slate gray tandem axle trailer that's included with this boat, and the slate gray boot stripe that walks all the way around the stern of the boat, just to really tie everything in together. Like I said, just a beautiful, beautiful boat. One thing you'll notice about our boats and how we equip them is we do the fiberglass swim platform with the SeaDek flooring. The transom of this boat is all built for lounging and comfort. There's nothing else like this on the water, or it's poorly imitated by everybody else. Our two stern rear-facing bucket seats are the most comfortable ones on the market. And to even add to their versatility and comfort, Mastercraft does things like the flip-up backrest. And if you think that adds some comfort to it, wait till you see. I'm going to show you with the lounge seating footrests that come out. This just really adds another level of comfort to this boat. When I jump in this seat, I can literally just stay here all day long and let the other Scott go through the whole boat on the camera while I sit here and relax. But I'll hop up and continue to show everything that this boat has to offer. One thing you'll see here, in addition to our stern radius seating here, we have the stern transom walkthrough, and this is all SeaDecked as well. As we board into the boat, you're going to notice our ZF4T tower with the swivel wakeboard racks, standard clamping racks as well, no bungee cords on this premium model. Mastercraft has partnered with Klipsch for our premium stereo system that this boat has, and you'll see the two rear-facing tower speakers here, and then of course the interior cockpit speakers and dual subwoofers. I'll let Scott come on board here to be able to show you all some more features. Now, talk about versatile seating. Pretty much everywhere you look, you can change the seating configuration of this boat with the pop-up backrest for more rear-facing visibility. The seat that Scott's sitting on here transforms into a rear-facing seat, or even better yet, turns into a sun pad with a filler cushion that comes with the boat as well. Standard feature with that transom reversible seating. When you come over to our dash, it just speaks comfort, control, versatility with our dual screen dash perfectly laid out for driver visibility and functionality. The throttle binnacle placed conveniently right alongside the driver with a nice bolster for your armrest. And to be able to play those tunes all day long, a built-in wireless charging station for your phone. And no matter what the weather is on our boat, we'll be able to keep you warm, keep you surfing all throughout the fall and even into the winter with our heated seats, heater with defrosters inside the boat, and the closable transom walk-through door. The bow of our boat is set up for entertaining as well and comfort. Right now we've got the removable filler cushion in to make that a sun pad that does quickly pull out for to store to have a center walk-through. Full wraparound, contoured bolstered seating, and flip-down armrests. I'll tell you what, there's no other boat that you can get into that has a contoured backrest like this and just to kick out and lounge out. I mean, you could really even put 3 people up here chilling out and relaxing all day long as well. And of course, all the comfort features like wireless, USB chargers and cup holders too. And what premium surf boat wouldn't be better equipped with the RBG lighting package to set the ambient lighting both in the boat and outside the boat to any color or brightness you want. Really hope you guys can come by the dealership and see all this boat has to offer. It is absolutely the best surf boat on the market. Thank you all very much.